This dressing is so easy to make. I bet you even have all the ingredients. You'll add your sour cream, a little bit of mayonnaise, your crushed peppercorns, some garlic. You can add 1 or 2 or 3 cloves of garlic. It's up to you. Then a little bit of salt, your freshly snipped chives, some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and then 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Stir that all up. And at this stage, it makes a really great party dip. Especially in the spring and summer, you can add whatever colorful vegetables you like. I like to really mix up the colors and spread them out so that you don't have all the green vegetables together, all the red vegetables together. Make it pretty. This dressing also makes a fantastic sandwich bread. Get some nice rustic bread, support your local baker, and buy some artisan bread. If you're here in the LA area, I really love Lodge Bread. It's totally worth the trip to seek out one of their 2 locations. You're going to add your dressing on both sides of the bread. Be generous because it's really delicious when combined with the lettuce and the tomatoes. It's almost like a little salad in itself. Then add your crispy, salty bacon. Place another piece of bread on top. Give it a slice, and you will have one fantastic sandwich. And then if serving this for a traditional salad dressing, I would thin it with a little bit of buttermilk just to make it easier to pour and toss. This dressing is so flavorful, you really don't need much, just some basic salad greens and maybe some edible nasturtiums. Enjoy!